All right, so check it out. I just drove from Los Angeles all the way to Mojave to charge up the car. But yeah, I'm using the GoPro Hero, right? The regular, the base model joint. And so what we did was we put this on the top of the car, top of the Tesla, because it's all glass. That's why the suction cup works really well. The Hero started in LA, hit traffic. I was really nervous if it was gonna make it all the way to Mojave. It did. So good job, GoPro Hero base model. It lasted an hour and 45 minutes. Hey guys, Future Tristan here. So real quick, I wanted to interject with this review. I had the camera, the GoPro Hero, mounted to the car, and I had it in battery saving mode. If you look on this, you see that little blue icon that's lit up right there in the middle? That is battery saving mode. If you uncheck it like so, that where it's not blue, nothing on the screen is blue, that means that the camera is shooting in 4K. You want this to shoot in 4K because it's touted as a 4K camera, but in order to get that really long video that I was able to get from LA to Mojave, which is about 2 hours, I had inadvertently put it into battery saving mode. So it shot everything in 1080p 30 frames per second instead of 4K. So if that little blue icon is lit, that means it's in battery saving mode. If it's not, you're going to get the 4K out of it. Comes standard in that 1080 mode. That's why I didn't recognize it was in that mode. All the footage I shot with this camera leading up to this moment was shot in 1080 instead of the 4K, and I was kind of upset. Turns out it's user error. So make sure you turn off that battery saving mode so you can use the full video. So back to past Tristan and his review. Thanks for putting up with them. Okay, so rather than show you like this long video recorded at real-time speed, I'm just going to go ahead and hyperlapse that so you see the whole drive. But yeah, this thing shot for an hour and 45 minutes. So here's a condensed version of that.